good afternoon, Mower Medic One. Today we have a little Boland's, no, excuse me, it's a Yardman. It's kind of got the Boland's color to it. And it's just a little old push mower. It's got a little Briggs motor on it. The customer has already replaced the ignition coil and the carburetor. He replaced the carburetor first and it was still doing the same thing. What the symptoms are is it will run for about a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes, and then it just dies. So first he thought it was a fuel system issue, and then he thought the coil was getting hot. So we've got carburetors and coils in this machine, but as you can tell, I'm going to show you and tell you what's wrong with it. All right, whoops, I already took the carburetor off just to clean the old gas out of it. It's been sitting up for like a year. He got tired of messing with it. But anyway, watch this. I'm going to loosen the gas cap, and I want you to watch right here where the fuel comes out of the tank. Has no gas flow. Why? Because the tank vent, or the gas cap, is not venting. With it closed, it's not going to get fuel. It'll seep down and fill the carburetor bowl up after 30 minutes or so. So when he goes back to crank it, it runs great, you know, for a few minutes until it runs all the fuel out of the carburetor. But so if you got a lawnmower that runs and dies, the first thing you want to check is make sure that gas cap is venting. Always like to take the carb off anyway. It's just 2 screws, but always check your intake pipe and make sure it's good and tight and the O-ring's good, and make sure you tighten that screw right there. Yep, it was a little loose. If that gets loose, it creates pressure on the intake manifold, and those plastic intake manifolds will break. So anyway, guys, hey, vented gas cap was the problem on this the whole time, but I'll replace the gas cap and we'll get it running here in just a little bit. Alrighty guys, I got the new gas cap on, and check it out. We got good flow. Alrighty guys, she's been running for about 5 minutes. I think it's good to go. If you guys have any questions about Briggs and Stratton engines, give me a holler. Y'all have a good day. Mower Medic One.